Hi guys, welcome to another edition of What Can We Cook from the Dough Hook, or if you bought one of my Dough Hook dinners, welcome to the video that's going to show you how to make it. Tonight for dinner we're going to have New York strip steak, twice baked potatoes, and we're going to make a salad. You can do the steaks however you want. I'm going to do them on my Traeger. Let's get started with the salad. We're going to make this Taylor Farms. It's called a chopped salad kit, and it's a sunflower bacon crunch. Let's open it up and see what's in it. We're gonna dump it in the bowl. I'm assuming there's little packs of stuff in here. Okay, that's what it looks like. It's all chopped up. Looks like some cabbage. Let's see what it says. Cabbage, green leaf lettuce, kale, red cabbage, carrots, green onions, sunflower seeds, and bacon crumbles. And this is the dressing. That dressing is really good. It's like sweet. Okay, we're just gonna toss this all together. That looks amazing, guys. All right, we're just gonna put this in the fridge, let it sit while we're cooking the rest of dinner. So I went out and I started up the Traeger to get it to preheat. I set it to 275 degrees. Check out these steaks. See the marbling in that? So these are New York strip. They're certified Hereford beef, which literally is the best beef. It has that marbling because it's certified Hereford beef. These things are so damn good. All right, so I'm gonna season my steaks. We're gonna use this bone-sucking sauce, all-purpose seasoning. It's your basic salt, pepper, garlic, and onion salt. We're gonna be generous with it in our seasoning. And we're gonna season both sides of the steak. Everything's getting cooked on the Traeger tonight. The other thing we're gonna make that's super easy are these twice baked potatoes from Reese's. Their Main Street Bistro line. They're real potatoes, super easy to make. You can put them in the microwave or you can do them in the air fryer too. I forgot about that. But you want to take them out of this package for the air fryer and obviously for the Traeger. But if you do them in the microwave, they're literally ready in 5 minutes. All right, we're gonna head outside to the Traeger. You gonna go with me today. Our Traeger is preheated. We're just gonna get our steaks on. Okay, so we're gonna let those cook for maybe 10 or 15 minutes before we put the potatoes on because I don't think those are gonna take that long. There they are. They're already cooked. You just have to heat them up. So good. Okay, so I just put them in this little vegetable grilling basket, and all we're gonna do is stick them on there. I don't know about you, but when I cook steaks on the grill, I need to rinse them with a little bit of, beer. Our steaks are at about 150 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and take them off. These things look freaking amazing. All right, guys, there they are. We're gonna take them inside. We're gonna cover them up and we're gonna let them rest for 10 minutes. I'll see you in there. With the potatoes too. Here is the final product. That salad looks good. Look how that potato turned out. Let's dig it. Yummy. There's potato. Let's try that. That was good. Look at that. Fast, easy meal. That steak took me a minute to cook because I did it on the Traeger, but if you do it on the grill or in a skillet, cuts half the time. Enjoy your dinner.